Hi, my name is Li Ping, also known as Apple. This is my husband. Hey, Rose.
Actually, my cousin was the one that introduced me to him. She was the one that did most of the research. Before that, we came across quite a few of the other interior designers, and they gave quite a high price for a certain number of quotations. And it seems that the certain things that we want in the house, they said it's impossible to do. So, but Zack is more flexible. So when we came to him, he said, "Oh, this can definitely be done. No issues at all." We did not even have to think twice. We went ahead straight away.
The theme for our home is what I would call rustic nautical. The inspiration it comes from movies.
So basically, when we were watching some of the movies, right, then they featured some of the beach houses. So we were thinking, if it was possible, if we had that in Singapore. But of course, we will definitely never be able to afford a beach house. So this is the best that we can do. They should really look into what they want for their house. For example, if they want a theme or they just want it to be just bland or plain. But most importantly, they need to look for a good interior designer, especially the one that can accommodate them. Yeah, we would definitely recommend Zack House Interior Design. Zack himself to be the one to be the first in contact, so that he can explain more about the house and what he's done so far and what he can possibly do and what he can offer.
Like furnitures, lightings, all that. He got all the contacts. Thanks to him, we got all of these. Yeah, at a very reasonable price also.
Bye.
Thanks for coming.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.